I have problems raising the blade. It sticks and sometimes it doesn't want to crank at all. I'm going to try to show you on both sides. On the left side, there's a silver bar here. On the right side, behind the lift, so there's a screw lift here, but the silver bar is back here. This is what the mechanism's actually riding up and down on, or sliding up and down on. Well, as close to the slide as you possibly can on either side, and then just start cranking up and down, back and forth, and eventually you'll work out the kink. I'm not gonna like spray it on, I don't need WD-40 or anything, just one drop or two drops at the top. And I'm just gonna work it into place, and eventually you'll get to the point where you'll get the kink out. Like right there with my kink, and as you can see, it's cranking easy now.